Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Ni hao ma, howdy. Oh, and trance and prosper. Hi, I'm Professor Brian David Phillips, and we're going to very quickly, hopefully very effectively, dive into yet another music generation program. We're going to play with LoudMe. Yes, that's the actual name of the program. Currently, it's free. I don't know for how long that's going to be, but a lot of folks are saying it's as good or better than Udio and Suno. Lately, I play more with Suno than I do with Udio, and that's because I do songs about farts, and their censorship is more open. Then again, Udio, you can do a lot of really amazing things. They've got a lot of extra tools that are worth checking out. But we're not checking out Udio or Suno today. We're checking out LoudMe. So let's move on over to the web page. Oh, this isn't a web page for LoudMe. This looks like, let me check here. Yes, it is the silly song generator. Um, Typically, I write my own songs. I write my own lyrics because I am a poet and I know it. I really like writing poetry. I've been writing poetry since I was a child, and I'm not a child anymore. Oh, that was so long ago. But this is a custom GPT I built, and you can use it because even folks who don't pay for ChatGPT Plus can use the custom GPTs. I'll put the link in the description below, but it is a silly song generator, so I'm going to simply ask it to write me lyrics to a silly song for you so you can see the whole process. Obviously, if you write your own lyrics, that's better. Better get a bucket, I'm gonna throw up. I don't know if your songs are any good. This lyric is just gonna be, as Silly Song Generator says right here, I create weird songs. Give me lyrics to a silly song about using AI to make silly songs. Okay, give me lyrics to a silly song about using AI to make silly songs. Um, let's go for a short one. We'll say a minute. And here we go. Here's our silly song. And we got our lyrics. So I will copy here. I click copy. And now I go over to the LoudMe web page. Looks pretty familiar. I have not used it much at all. I've only generated one song. Um, it gives you two generations. So if you go to the Strange Music channel, you can listen to the fart song. And I did write those lyrics, and they're not really great lyrics, but I wrote them. All right, so you have over here music generator, sound effects generator, free music that you can get. It's probably, I assume, generated stuff, and free sound effects. So you can create, you can do sound, and it's royalty free. So you can use this for your YouTube videos or whatever you're going to use it for. Um, and we have, I'm just going to the music generator because that's what I said this video is about. I can just describe an AI generate, but I'm going to go to advanced features where we have the more custom issued things. And I need to bring that out down a little. Oh, no, there we go. Let's see, we're going to we're going to custom lyrics. You can have it auto generate. You can just say, hey, LoudMe, give me a song about masturbation. I don't know why you want that, but yeah, I know now. Okay, I'm just going to paste in my lyrics, and I probably want to delete that little bit. And there's all my lyrics. Yay, yay, yay. Let's create a fun song. Okay, great. Okay, now what style of music? I'm gonna do another banjo song. So I'm gonna do some bluegrass. Bluegrass. We want banjo. We want dueling banjos, and we want um, okay. And we want our title. So we'll call it AI Songstress. It's a stupid name, but hey, we're doing this. Let's find out how fast this is. So I have 11:10 on my clock and create. So we'll just see some of the creators, the programs Udio, Suno, and there's a bunch of them. Some of them take a long time to generate. Some of them are limited. So, for instance, Udio, it'll give you 30 seconds, but it'll take a while for it. We have our first version coming up. It's still working. And Suno will do a whole song. It'll give you 2 minutes. I was expecting LoudMe to give me a short thing that I would have to extend, and it does have extend as an option over there. But actually, the lyrics I gave it gave me here. The first one I generated was 1 minute and 46 seconds, no extension. 2 minutes 39 seconds, no extension. It just gave me the whole thing. So that's pretty cool. Now we've got our songs set up here, but as you can see, let's move this in a bit. As you can see, it's still working. And so I'm going to see how long it's already taken 1 minute, 1 minute. And we've got the start of pretty awesome songs. Let's find out. Now, if I click play, it'll keep generating while it's playing. I don't like to do that. I like to find out what I'm working with first, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay, so let's start with the first one that was generated and see what we get. Remember, we're going for bluegrass, banjo, female vocalist. Let's see if she sounds any good.
In the land of symbols and wires so bright, there's a little AI working day and night. It's got a job that's pretty fun, making silly songs for everyone. I asked my AI friend, make a song so wild it makes up metaphors like a happy rocket guy, dancing in the rain with a toaster by its side, singing about a pineapple that's got nothing to hide. AI's got a beat, it's so neat, turning nonsense into something sweet. With a rhyme here and a joke there, it's a silly.
Okay, all right. So it took 2 minutes and it gave me 2 songs. If you want to listen to the full songs or the one I choose, put up on Strange Music, you can go over Strange Music and listen to the whole thing. That sounds okay. I didn't like the beginning. There was a glitch, but that's because it was loading in, it was buffering. Let's see what the other one is. That was 2 minutes and 9 seconds for the song. It just does the whole song. And AI Songstress, the second version, let's see what that lets us. Very different feel.
In the land of circuits and wires so bright, there's a little AI working day and night. It's got a job that's pretty fun, making silly songs for everyone. I asked my AI friend, make the song so wild. It mixed up metaphors like a happy crocodile, dancing in the rain with a toaster by its side, singing about a pineapple that's got nothing to hide. AI's got the beat, it's so neat, turning nonsense into something sweet with a rhyme here and a joke there. It's a
Okay, I like that one better. So that's the one I'm going to choose, but I don't have to choose anything really. But that is LoudMe, the AI music generator. Links in the description below. I hope you have found this useful and enjoyable. Music generation with AI. Now, of course, you can do multiple iterations, whatever you like. Do your own songs. Put in a bunch of names from the phone book. I don't know what you're into, but that's AI generation. Try different genres. So far, I've only used LoudMe for bluegrass because I grew up with bluegrass and country, and I like it. I also like other things. It's not my favorite, but it is something I enjoy, and I really like that banjo going. So there you go. I hope this has been useful, helpful, and fun. Live trance and prosper.